In this video, I'll show you how to insert a block library in AutoCAD so you can quickly reuse standard objects and speed up your drafting workflow. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD, then type Insert in the command line and press Enter. The Insert dialog or Blocks palette will open, where you'll find the option to browse for block files. Click Browse and navigate to the DWG file that contains the block library you want to use. Select the file and open it to make the available blocks accessible in your current drawing. Next, choose the block you want to insert, then specify the insertion point, scale, and rotation if needed, before placing it into your drawing. You can repeat this process to insert as many blocks as required, without redrawing the same objects again. Using block libraries helps maintain consistency, improves productivity, and keeps your drawings organized, especially when working on large projects with repeated components. That's how easy it is to insert a block library in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.